Hi, this is Kim with Lolly Doodle Studios, and we have an adorable, easy DIY for you today. It is a distressed farmhouse family. Right here, you'll see I have Whitler's wood. Yep, I said Whitler's wood. Little blocks of wood. We are just going to paint these with a dark brown color. I've chosen burnt umber, but you could choose whatever color that you would like. So we're just going to give them all a nice little coat. And for this family, I only need 3 members. So the 2 adults and the little one. So let's go ahead and get painting. I'll speed it up for you a little bit here because how boring is it to watch paint dry? But real quick, I want to invite you to come follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, and Instagram. Over on Facebook, I do have a VIP painting and lettering group called the Embered Wing Creative. Would love to have you a member of that group. We do projects like this and so much more with guest artists every month teaching us a project in their style. Now with that, let's get back to our little project. We are just putting a coat of brown paint on all of our little block people. Now, in this next part, you'll see I'm using little tiny finials that go on wood dowels for the heads of my little people. You could use just simple little round wood beads, paint beads to look like wood, whatever works for you. Use what you have on hand. Above all, just have fun with it. We're going to give this a nice coat of the brown, just like we did for the blocks. Ooh, we finally have all our little people painted in the brown paint. Now we're going to grab white or an almond color, and we are going to dry brush right on top of that brown. Dry brush, just in case you don't know, is picking up paint on an old scruffy brush, wiping it off, and then brushing it right on top of the brown. Now, you can go as heavy or leave as much of the brown coming through as you choose. It is entirely up to you, and each one you do will look totally different. So let's get all of the white dry brushed on them, and don't forget to dry brush the little heads as well. Now for mine, I decided to hand letter the words Mommy, Daddy, and Lila, who is the little girl in this family, onto my wood blocks. That is totally optional. And if you do not feel comfortable hand lettering with a brush, just grab a very thin tipped Sharpie marker and write the phrases that you choose onto your wood blocks. Decide how you want your little family to be put together. Grab that glue gun and glue, baby, glue. Just be careful not to burn, baby, burn. So you're going to glue your little family together. Don't forget to put the heads on. If you used 2 different sized heads like I did, make sure you use the bigger heads for the bigger bodies and use the smaller head on the little body. Next, we will grab some twine, give it a quick twist, a quick knot, and your little distressed farmhouse family is all set to sit on your mantle or a shelf. Give it as a gift. Let me know if you like this project. Follow us here on the channel for more projects just like this. And come check out Embered Wing Creative to learn hand lettering all on your own.
trim this.